Welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू चलाती tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो मेरे डबल चिन का रीज़न है. No points for guessing. We're gonna do chocolate review, and today I'm going to review Nestle chocolates, and this is the second part of the video. I've already done a couple of chocolates before. For the links, do check out the video link on someone's screen. So the one we're going to do today, the ones we're going to do today is Butterfinger by Nestle. The other one that we have is Real Bubbly Mirage by Nestle. The last one is After 8. सबसे पहले अपने लाइफ में when you tried After 8, what was your first reaction? I'm sure everybody, each one of us remembers our first reaction to After 8. It's one of a kind, and nobody can tell. This is something you can judge कि कोई किसी चीज़ पे गुस्सा होगा या नहीं होगा, लेकिन After 8 का reaction guess करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So do let me know in the comments what was your first reaction to After 8. So let's begin, and as usual I'll begin with a chocolate that I think I wouldn't have the best review or taste. So I'm going to start with Butterfinger by Nestle. It says crunchy, peanutty, buttery, and the picture looks like this. Looks. It's nice and strong and very butter foamy, but still like solid. It has a nice peanut butter taste. It has some peanuts in it and some crystallized caramel. Okay, but it's better than honeycomb. For all of you who've been watching my videos, I don't like honey. So the next one on my list is Mirage. It says Real Bubbly Milk Chocolate. I think I like this. Bubbly से मुझे Cadbury Bubbly याद है. Chocolate. As expected, it is like the bubbly chocolate that we have in Candian. I've mentioned this before, but Nestle chocolates are less sweeter than Cadbury chocolates. So अगर आपको bubbles खानी है और less sweeter खानी है, then always go in for Mirage. It's exactly the same stuff. And the last one, After 8, I've broken a very sacred rule with this. My last chocolate is the best chocolate that I picked from the lot. उस हिसाब से ये last होनी चाहिए, पहले होनी चाहिए थी, because I'm not an After 8 fan. तो chocolate खाओ या तो मिंट खाओ, दोनों एक साथ क्यों? अरे च्युइंगम खा लो, चॉकलेट में क्यों डाली? मिंट कॉफी में भी डाल देते हैं. Not okay. So this is After 8. Smell. I can't call it. For a lot of people, I'm sorry, I don't say that not everybody likes it, but I don't like it. So this is a nice After 8 classy looking chocolate. ये classy लोगों को समझ आता है. Chocolate सब ठीक था. As soon as it comes in the center, somebody's just given me a gargle of Colgate. Thank you very much. But I was enjoying my dark chocolate. sorry, I tried. I'm still never gonna let you come. You know, never to get me after 8. Oh, you know what? I just had somebody over recently and I got an after 8 pack. So whoever has got the after 8 pack, sorry, I just forwarded from here. My pick for today is Mirage, which is a little better, less sweeter version of Candian Bubble. Do let me know your review and do let me know your after 8 reaction in the comments box below. Until next time, this is your signing off.